Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to listen free samples on Audible. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to listen free samples on Audible. Maybe you're a person who prefers to get a trailer, or you could say free samples before you purchase or get that thing. So you want the same thing before you want to read or listen to a book or podcast. You want a free sample of it so that you could get understanding about this product, and then you can purchase it or could use it, or it could be any other reason for you to get free samples on Audible. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Audible app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Audible app to open it. Once the app gets installed, first it will just take a while to load, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top we have the logo of the Audible, and we have this search icon. After that you will see that we have a lot of products, or you could say content, on our home screen because we are into home, therefore we get it. If we click onto library, we will find some saved things that are saved in our account. Other than that, if you go to discover, there you could find different kind of products like postcard, books, audiobooks, and other stuff. And if you click onto that option, you will land into your profile. There you will see your personal information and other options as well. Now if you're looking for free samples, then you have to find podcast or audiobooks or any kind of speech. Then you will be easily able to get its free samples. Therefore we just got into discover, because in the discover you can find different things. You could either go to the search bar and search for that specific thing, otherwise you can just look on this discover section. There you will find multiple things that you could get free samples of. So let's explore and find a book or a podcast, and then we will see how we can avail its free sample. So here I have got this product. This is actually original product by Audible. Once I tapped on it, it will open. First I will see its poster, and if you like anything from its poster, then you can go on. You just have to scroll down. There you will get its summary. Summary is like a description of the product. You have to first read it, and if it inspires you, then you have to get on the top. There you will see this option which says sample now. Once you tap onto that option, you will be easily able to avail the free sample of that book or podcast. So here I clicked on it. At the bottom you could say it just started playing. Now I just have to simply tap onto it, and there you can see this is the free sample. Likewise, once you click onto this option, you could also avail free samples of any book or podcast. Now if you like that sample by listening, then you can go for the purchase, or maybe you can just listen to the whole series or whole book or whole product. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get free samples on Audible. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.